the fifth Partner Engage event that we are hosting in Asia Pacific, and each year we either have a regional event for all of Asia Pacific and Japan, or we localize the events for each of Symantec's 5 regions across Asia Pacific and Japan. So this year we decided to have the Asia South and India Partner Engage event. We run similar events in Europe where we have Partner Engage, and we run a similar event in North America. One of the differences with Asia Pacific and Japan is we have a diverse set of countries and partners. So this year and in other years, it makes sense for us to bring together the groups of partners for the Asia South region to run the So Partner Engage is really focused on 2 separate elements. The first element is, as we go through different transitions with our partner program, it's an opportunity for us to have our partners network and to really thank our partners for their contribution over the past year. The second part is to be able to really give us that quality time with our partners to articulate our vision, our strategy, and our value proposition for our partners to then go to their customers and really drive a winning formula for the market that they come from. This year the event has been focused around a theme that we call powering your business. And I think the highlight is being able to talk about where we are today and about the investments that we're making around our partner program, around specializations that are a core pillar to our partner program. And it's been less about trying to talk about the transition. Last year we talked a lot about what's coming. This year our focus has been, now that we're here, now that the program is live and well, how do we optimize and capitalize on the opportunities that exist? So we're now almost 6 months into the new program, and the good thing about that, it's given us some time to be able to reflect on how can we measure where we're at with the success of the program. And there are 2 real interesting measures that I see today that I think are really quite positive and comforting, knowing that we're in the right direction. The first is we run our partner satisfaction surveys we call Net Promoter Surveys. And what we've seen in the last couple of months is that those partners that are specialized are absolutely showing greater levels of partner satisfaction with dealing with Symantec. And the other interesting point, the second point, is that the average transaction value driven through our specialized partners in comparison to our non-managed partners, those partners that are not participating in the specialization program but still transacting Symantec, we're seeing the average transaction value being at approximately 30% higher. And that statistic is for India as well. So one of the unique things about Symantec is we have a global partner program framework. And so if you have a global partner program, you are able to scale. You're able to get the best economies of scale. You're able to learn from different countries, different regions. Our goal is to be able to think globally and act locally. So we don't really look at customizing the program per se. What we look at is, how do we want to roll out that program? How do those incentive programs get optimized and work best in each country? So in India, we have got significant take-up rate for the specializations. We have many of our master specialists in India. And one of the things that's unique about India is the accreditation is taken very seriously for our programs. So we think that's a great opportunity, a great sign. But what we try and do is make sure that the programs get leveraged and that we don't start customizing individual programs, but really look at different situations in each country to make sure that those programs work within the go-to-market in that country. So we see a number of key trends, mobility, virtualization, cloud, and those trends are customer drivers. They're customer trends. But what's really interesting is our specializations of which we have 9 core technical specializations, allow customers and partners in India to really take advantage of multiple specializations to drive a total solution. We've seen great adoption rate across all of our specializations, all 9, and we're really thrilled with the excitement around specializations. One thing that's really great about our Indian business is our partners understand how to really leverage the programs. Our adoption rate for incentives, our adoption rate for program is very high in India, and that's because we think that our Indian partners really understand that the program, I should say, is really driven to drive greater opportunity and profitability for our partners. What you're going to see Symantec do this year is really focus heavily on the way that we want to get our programs accelerated, the way that we want to ensure that our partners can connect value to the program. And one of the most important things is we want to continue to drive preference, and we want to drive exclusivity to the benefits within the partner program. For us, it's very much around quality over quantity and ensuring that we can deliver on the commitments that we drive for our partners, and that we recognize that when partners commit to Symantec, that we in return drive opportunity and relevance to our partners. So we see the cloud as a great opportunity in India. What we're looking to do is ensure that we don't lock ourselves into a situation where we're just looking at the cloud through one lens. So the cloud opportunity for us is for providers to be able to resell Symantec's cloud services or build their own cloud services leveraging Symantec's technology. And that's an opportunity and a program that's been successful for us in India. And then those partners that want to have a hybrid where they might use some of Symantec's cloud technology or cloud services, but they may want to extend out their own services leveraging Symantec technology. So all in all, we see great adoption rate in India. I think it's early days in terms of seeing some of the hyper growth that we'll see, but we continue to be committed to our strategy when it comes to ensuring that we provide choice to our partners, whether it's extending their own cloud, building their own cloud, or leveraging Symantec's cloud.